levitate, levitate. I'm done playing safe.
Walking with the lights on me. Every step rewrites my legacy. Try to box me in, but I broke that frame. Now I'm standing here with a brand new flame. They said slow down, I said speed up. If they push back, I just rise up. Future in my hands and I own my name. I don't need permission for the path I claim. Turn the pressure into power. Turn the silence into sound. Every second getting louder. Ain't no force that shuts me down. Elevate me, I go higher every time they down. Levitate me, watch me take it, watch me figure it out. I'm unstoppable, born unbreakable. This is who I'm made to be. Elevate me, yeah, I'm rising past the gravity. Hey-oh, oh, I'm rising. Hey-oh, oh, no silence. Past the limits they created. Every setback turned into fuel. Every misstep made me immovable. Level up twice when the stakes get raised. I evolve like fire in a mirror maze. No ceiling, I'm breaking through. Every door they shut, I turn into a new view. Got a voice too strong, too real to tame. Now I'm walking galaxies they tried to claim. Turn the pressure into power. Turn the silence into sound. Every second getting louder. Ain't no force that shuts me down. Elevate me, I go higher every time they down. Levitate me, watch me take it, watch me figure it out. I'm unstoppable, born unbreakable. This is who I'm made to be. Elevate me, yeah, I'm rising past the gravity. Look, I'll never break, I innovate. Every limit I eliminate. If there's a wall, I detonate. Every weakness I recreate. Stand tall when the ground shakes. I'm the proof of what power makes.